Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo C615 Floodlight Camera on iPhone. So here I have the camera ready for the setup, and it's flashing the LED here, green and orange, and that's the status of the camera ready for the setup. So I just need to come here to my cell phone and start the setup with the Tapo app. If you don't have this app, you just need to come to the App Store. Let me just come here and show you. You come here to the search and look for Tapo. That's the app that are going to use for this camera. So there we go, Tapo. Then you look for TP-Link Tapo. That's the one. I will just open here, and then you just need to log in with your account. You create a free account with the TP-Link, and you're good to go. And then when you're here, you just need to come here to the top and tap on the plus signal, add a device, and just look for outdoor cameras, and then Tapo C615. Just go down until you find it, or you can just search from here. So here we go, Tapo C615F. And now I just need to follow the instructions here. You see the LED is flashing. So green and red, so we're good to go. Then I just hit here. And now the camera is going to connect to my cell phone via Bluetooth, right? So just need to wait. There we go. You found the camera. Now basically the cell phone is connecting directly to the camera, not to the router. And it's going to ask which Wi-Fi router you want to use. In this case, it's a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi router. You just need to look for yours. In here I have mine, so I just select this one and I insert the password. So the cell phone is going to tell the camera to use this Wi-Fi router with this password. Super simple. Then I just hit next and confirm.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. The camera talks to you and says that Wi-Fi is connected. So basically, let me just move the phone here so you see it. All right, now it's asking for the device name, and the LED now it's green, right? So it's basically working. You just need to hit next, select the location, let's say office, hit next, select an icon, next again. And there we go, the setup is complete and sounds good. Okay, just dismiss this, hit got it. And here is the Tapo hub. If you have a hub there, you can just set it up. I'm gonna do this later. And then the SD card. You just need to insert an SD card. I have already one here in the camera. I'll leave the link in the description for a good SD card for this Tapo C615. Hit got it. And here's some information about the firmware update. It's going to update by itself at 3 a.m. or between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. Just hit got it again. And some information here about the camera. Next again. You see there's a audio loop here, right? Because there's a microphone already working the camera. I just keep hitting next to next until it finishes. Here's some information about how to adjust the angle of the camera. Just hit next as well. Charge now, mount later, so I can just finish this wizard. And there we go, the camera's here. So it's basically working, okay? I'm just bring back here and show you that I can just come here to the camera. And you see that's working. Just dropping the volume down because there is an audio loop. Then I can just come here and control the camera. You see the moves. Let me just show here that I'm just controlling the camera from here, right? See that I can just hit here and control the movement of the camera. So it's working pretty fine. And here I can do all the configuration, okay? Just come back here and you see that I can change the detection. So basically motion detection. You can have motion detection and also person, pet, vehicle detection, all of this. and I can just adjust anything that I want, like alarm. I have another video here in the channel where I show how the alarm works for this camera. So it's a good idea just to take a look at this video and learn about alarms, which is pretty important because it's the floodlight camera. So you can basically have the alarm working and scare people away if they approach the location, okay? So here's the battery status. Basically, there's a solar panel that can charge this camera. It's a solar-based camera. Pan and tilt, so you can control the camera. And also a lot of other features here. You can share with people. You can record into the cloud as well. Change the video and display settings. Change your networking. Do a lot of different things here, right? So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can set up your Tapo C615F or the floodlight camera on your iPhone. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here. Subscribe to this channel. And I see you in the next one.